Outstanding design defines the 2015 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.